York was an explorer, he was a hunter, he was an enslaved person. He was the only African-American member of the Lewis and Clark expedition. Without York, the Corps of Discovery might not have been successful, but unlike every other man who took part in that expedition, York received no compensation for his services.
Back in 2020, a bust of York anonymously appeared in Mount Tabor Park here in Portland, Oregon. It was thereafter vandalized and ultimately removed. This whole story really sparked a new interest in me to learn about York's story, and even more than learn about York, amplify his story. On October 24th at the Research Center for the Arts in Beaverton, Oregon, will be the world premiere of York the Explorer, a new folk opera meant to honor and amplify this great American unsung hero. Two of the most significant partners are 1803 Fund and Oregon Black Pioneers. Oregon Black Pioneers have prepared an amazing educational exhibit that will be in the lobby of the Research throughout the world premiere. 1803 Fund is helping us to make sure that Black and brown families, kiddos, students, and all ages are able to attend the show.
More than anything, what I think is important here is that Black youth will see a production, will see folks like them who take part in it on stage, and that will then inspire their own perceptions of what's possible.
I'm so delighted that the entire Portland community has rallied around this project. And by us coming together with an event like York Fest, we're bringing all of the prominent voices that are speaking about York together in one forum to really have that much more impact with this collaborative approach to storytelling.